Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you know the Python version and that pip works. Once done, update the Certify bundle with pip install upgrade Certify so your root certificates are current. If you use Mac OS, run the bundled install certificates command. On Windows, verify OpenSSL or the request/erlib3 backend. Make sure to check OpenSSL version or platform SSL info so you understand which library verifies certificates before continuing to code changes. Next, you apply concrete code fixes. For requests, explicitly pass verify equals Certify. Where, so Python uses the updated cert bundle, this is safer than turning verification off. Once done, for erlib3 or custom sockets, create an SSL context, load Certify. Where, and pass it into the connection pool. Make sure to configure sessions or mounts to reuse settings. If you need an internal CA, point verify to that PEM file. These steps fix most certificate mismatches without disabling security. Finally, validate your fix by testing both curl and Python. Compare responses to confirm consistency. Make sure to check system time and time zone, proxies, or corporate traffic inspection that can alter certificates. If errors persist, inspect the server certificate chain. Often an intermediate CA is missing and must be added to your cert bundle or installed on the host. If you still hit certificate verify failed, gather the server cert details and CA chain. This single troubleshooting tip usually pinpoints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.